Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to generate images in Leonardo AI in 2026. So if you want to create AI-generated artwork, realistic photos, character designs, or creative visuals from simple text prompts, Leonardo AI makes the process easy. First, sign in to your Leonardo AI account and open your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to the image generation tools and creative workspace. Next, click the option to create a new image. This will open the generation panel, where you can enter your prompt and adjust the settings. When the results appear, review each image carefully and select the one that best matches your idea. If the images aren't exactly what you wanted, edit your prompt and generate new versions. Small prompt changes can often create dramatically different outcomes. You can also use available tools to upscale, enhance, or further refine your favorite image before downloading it. Finally, save the completed image to your device and keep experimenting with different prompts, styles, and creative concepts to improve your results. And that's it. That's how to generate images in Leonardo AI in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.